And because we had an exchange of words, I was just trying to avoid an awkward situation. I would not know if he would accept my gesture of a handshake or me deliberately getting out of the way to avoid him. And you can tell it by just looking at the body language of people. You would know. And because I did not want to create a scene, an awkward situation, I just stayed on the sidelines. That's the truth. I was avoiding an awkward situation, especially an international awkward behavior. So deliberately, I just I said to John, you think. I did not have a bum stomach. Do not believe it. That was just an excuse, but really I avoided it. I would not know how to react if he would just push my hand. Because we had a very hot exchange, I said the words. And mind you, do not believe in this. If you want to, they keep on harming on criminal liability about the International Criminal Court. You know, the United States, State Department, the Office of the President of the United States, keep on mentioning about extrajudicial killing, using a term there, when after all, America is not a member of the International Criminal Court. Russia just pulled out recently, and 5 days ago?
Yep.
They got out of and Russia was correct. We spent billions of the people's money because we are contributors. And they were only, for the time that they were there, for the longest time, they only came up with 4 verdicts, and it was the amount of 1 billion was spent. So what? 4 verdicts. Now, there was one who was acquitted actually, but 2 years ago. 1 billion was spent, and they came up only with 4 verdicts. What a way to spend the people's money. You might as well prosecute him in his own court, because he's a criminal like me. If you think that I did something wrong, I'm a criminal, then, file it in the ombudsman. I think there's a charger by Matubato. Anyway, this is the democracy. You're entitled to be a fool once in a while. But again, I would like to thank you for your presence. And if there's a need, if there's a disturbing need, development that would come up that would affect you, you're free to come back here, and we'll talk again. I'll take care of the dinner. I'll answer for it. But not really it's a people's money. I've ordered, it's already 1 viand, 1 soup, and 1.
Yeah.
Is that what was served?
Yes.
1 viand, 1 rice, 1 soup. But, and I'm the only guy, when I was there. Peter. First day I noticed that everything was lighted up and the air condition was on. I said, hey, why are you not putting off the lights? Why is there, it's cold, it's nighttime. It's always been that way. No. Even I said, put out the lights. You can only have a lampshade in the sala there. You can go there. I'm not saying that they were wasteful, but if that was the practice, then that was not good. All the lights on, just because you are part of the palace. It's not good. People are hungry, and even if you say it's only, it will not make a dent, still the principle behind it is not good. So I said, every light should be put off, and give the free souls here to walk around in darkness. Nobody is here. And maybe the guards. So that's how it is. I'd like to thank you again and see you next time. Peter?
Thank you.